This cat loves catching bugs. Whenever a flying insect flies into the house, her owner lifts her up and lets her catch it, which she always devours with ease. One day, the cat was catching a bee, but as soon as she extended her paw, she was stung, and her paw immediately swelled up. Later, when a spider appeared in the house, the owner wanted the cat to catch it, but she ran away in fear. Desperate, the owner had to do it himself. Horrifyingly, the spider crawled onto his foot, frightening both him and the cat. Finally, he decided to enlist help. He bought a hen. In less than a minute, the hen devoured the spider with ease, completing the task perfectly. The hen's efficiency is astonishing. If you think she did a great job, please give her a thumbs up.